Hello guys, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. And today we would be looking at YEARN.finance, or YFI, currently ranked at 151 with a market cap of about $208 million. We have a 24-hour volume for about 18.87 million, and today we would be looking at some very interesting price action, technical analysis and price predictions right here for YEARN.finance or YFI. So make sure you sit back, relax and enjoy the video. And so without further ado, let us move to the chart, right? So we are on the chart right here for YFI versus the USD dollars. We have the 4-hourly time frame, and Binance is the data source. And one of the things we have been saying as regards to YFI was that we have been seeing this huge consolidation for YFI, and we were saying we want to see that impulsive breakout to the upside, right? We haven't seen that impulsive breakout, as we basically have been ranging, and we probably could still see more range still happen for YFI this week, and I'll tell you why. First of the things is that if we move to our indicators right here, as you can see, the rings on our indicator, both the top and the bottom rings, are consolidating. They are shrinking, and what that means is that we could see some sort of consolidation and a breakout very soon to the top or to the bottom. If you know, also you have been with us, you would know that we have our bias towards the upside, and we are expecting at least minimum a push of about how many percent? 6% to the upside right here for YFI, right? Because if we also look at our momentum, as you can see, momentum is shifting to the upside, right? On our MACD, the MACD is pointing to the upside, which means we could still see more pump right here for YFI in the medium to short term. So basically, we are still bullish on YFI, and we are expecting an impulsive push of about 6% to the upside right here for YFI. So basically, that's the analysis for YFI for today. If you like the channel, please do not forget to like, click subscribe, as we would be giving you daily updates as regards YFI. Thank you for watching, and have a blessed day.